Hello, can you hear me okay?
Yes, I can hear you. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. How are you?
I'm fine.
What's your name?
Washim, and I'm from Bangladesh.
Ah, and your name's Washim.
Yes,
Oh, okay, Washim. Well, nice to meet you. So my name's James and I'm from England.
England. Oh, very nice. I know
Yeah.
England.
Oh, have you been?
No, I have never been, but many of my relatives live in London.
Oh, okay, fantastic. What part of London do they live in?
Actually, I don't know in detail. I know they live in London. Just
Oh,
it.
okay. Oh, great. And what do you do, Washim? What do you do? Do you work or study? Tell me a bit about yourself.
Okay, actually, I was a teacher. I did a part-time job in a school. But now, because of Corona problem, my school is closed, and as a part-time teacher, I am in problem for Corona problem.
Oh,
So I
okay.
do not today. I do nothing, but I am trying to get video editing job online.
Hey, sorry, we got disconnected. Can you hear me? Hello?
Hello, sir. Actually, it is a
Hello?
problem
And
of internet connection, slow internet
yeah,
connection.
it's okay. Don't worry about it. So you were telling me before that you're trying to look for a job online for a video calling job.
Ye- yes, yes, video editing job.
Uh-huh. I
I
think
have an account in Fiverr.
did you say video editing? Or
Yes,
like
video editing.
teaching?
I can edit
Oh,
YouTube videos.
oh, right, okay. Uh-huh. Oh, yeah, that's great. That sounds really really good. Yeah, and how do you think you'll go about getting a job in video editing? What's your plan? How are you going to try and do it?
Actually, sir, actually, sir, actually, I do have a YouTube channel, and as my schools are closed, so I teach students. I teach students online using my YouTube channel. I teach English. I was an English teacher, and
Uh-huh.
as I edit my videos for my YouTube channel, I I know how to edit videos. One of my colleague also do YouTubing and video editing. He has buyer from UK. He has buyer from
He
UK,
has a buyer,
but uh,
a buyer.
I am
He has
in
a buyer from the UK.
a buyer. Yes, a buyer, and my colleague is doing work for the buyer. But still today, I have not got.
Hello.
Hello, sir. I'm back again to you.
Ah, you're back. It's good to see you again. And so tell me, what were you telling me before? You were saying that you used to work as a teacher. You were what were you teaching English literature? You said.
Yes, sir. I teach English literature, but school my school is off because of Corona problem, and now I
Oh,
am trying to get video editing job online, and I use Cambly platform, and I ask my tutors for suggestion.
for suggestions. Oh,
I
well,
I'm not sure if you become somewhat uh, if you like or not. If I ask for suggestion.
oh, but ask me what? I'm confused. What do you want to ask me?
I want actually I ask my tutors for help to get a video editing job, and I'm not sure my tutors become angry if I ask them for editing job.
Oh, I mean, if I had a video editing job, I would give it to you, but I don't know anything about video editing or anyone who does video editing.
Okay, no problem, sir. Cambly has many tutors from different countries of different level. So I asked different tutors if they had, and uh, and in this case, many of my tutors have suggested in different ways, and I am applying them.
Absolutely.
Uh,
I'm afraid, my friend, I'm afraid I'm going